Don't mind the noise, it's the cake. Anyways, I was doing a breakfast with me video and apparently it stopped. I'm not finished. Yes, I've been doing this for 45 minutes. But I still got to show now. Yeah, so come on. Well, as you can see, my platinum are fried. Yeah, you know them soon done. Cause you know them have to be crispy. And this is what is done already. That's a banana that's under the bottom. Yeah. By the way, if you never know, I use the napkin to suck out some of the aisle cause who like aisle food? And I don't need glasses for this. I'm practically done. Yeah. And you know, I already said that you have to drink with the tea. Oh, I'm not sure. See there? Yeah, bush there, girl. Not the way. And yes, me is the entire bag. We drink touch tea. Anyways, people, see me food there, yeah. A for presentation, yeah. And yeah, mom, I love everything well cooked, you see me? Period, yeah. And I'm gonna stop the video now, cause I use my phone and watch show. Yeah, me have TV, but you know, hit different on your phone, you see me?